Decentralized physical infrastructure was one of the absolute best niches in early 2024, but the recent disastrous market downturn crushed once hopeful investors. Even Mr. Price Speculation Warning Guy was pumping hopium.
Decentralized physical infrastructure, aka DePIN, has been one of the biggest crypto narratives of late. Spoiler
alert.
Some of the cryptos in this niche will 100x.
Let's just say that has not happened. The question is, will it? And if so, when? If you want the answers to those questions and more, make sure to watch this video until the very end. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to the channel. I'm your host, the BitBoy. If you want to learn more about crypto and how to play the crypto markets to put yourself and your family in a better financial position, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you find value in this video.
So talk to us about DePIN and what decentralized physical infrastructure. It actually feels a lot more real, tangible. What exactly is it that you're building, Amy?
That's right. So decentralized physical infrastructure networks, I like to call them...
In the crypto context, DePIN stands for decentralized physical infrastructure. It's a new use case for blockchain tech, where decentralized networks are leveraged to build, operate, and maintain real-world physical infrastructure.
Show to the world things like video transcoding with networks like LivePeer, things like file storage networks. Those would be protocols like Arweave and IPFS. Filecoin is what most people would know that as. And then also for things like GPU rentals, which I'm sure you know, GPUs have been a really constrained product because of supply issues. And so builders have had a hard time getting their hands on them.
But is the idea dead in the water? Speaking of dead in the water, now if you're looking to breathe new life into your portfolio using leverage, you can get up to $8,800 when you use my Phemex link in the description below. We might even pop it on the screen. Who knows? I don't do the editing. Render Token is at the forefront of decentralized GPU rendering. Render is for artists and content creators, giving its users the ability to harness unused computational power for tasks like 3D modeling and video editing. On the website, it says, the network connects node operators looking to monetize their idle GPU compute power with artists looking to scale intensive 3D rendering work and applications to the cloud. Filecoin, or FIL, on the other hand, leverages blockchain technology to create a decentralized storage network, offering a secure and efficient alternative to traditional cloud storage. We've got a lot of things to store these days. The Filecoin vision is to take data ownership away from cloud companies that decide what to charge people and who can use their services, and give it back to the open market, creating hyper-local and efficient storage. Akash Network, or AKT, calls itself the world's premier decentralized compute marketplace because it aims to revolutionize cloud computing by providing a decentralized marketplace for computing resources. Key features are infrastructure as code, Kubernetes, a reliable platform for hosting applications, persistent storage, meaning data is never lost, IP leasing, peer-to-peer and private data storage and transfer, and permissionless app deployment to promote innovation. Then you have AIOZ Network. They focus on decentralized video streaming, promising improved content delivery and lower costs. The vision is AIOZ Blockchain empowers Web3 builders with a one-click integration of dApps and support for popular smart contract languages across Ethereum and Cosmos networks, all powered by a global community of nodes. The AIOZ Decentralized Content Delivery Network, or DCDN, powers AI computation, data storage, and seamless media and video streaming for dApps within the AIOZ network. But actually, guys, this is a true story. My cat is deaf. So actually, his name is Alf, but we actually pick out a different name for him every single day because he can't hear. So if you would like, drop down below the names you think we should use on a daily basis for my cat. Thank you. The coin, though, Aleph.im, provides decentralized indexing and computing services for blockchain applications to make them more reliable and more scalable. It also has a decentralized AI language model. And when I asked it what Aleph.im is, here's what it said. Check this out. The hype about DePIN has died down, but will the sector bounce back? Let's look at what Messari, a leading crypto market research provider, says about it. Messari's 2023 Crypto Theses report highlighted DePIN as a significant emerging trend in the crypto space. The report emphasized the potential of DePIN to disrupt traditional infrastructure models and contribute significantly to global GDP growth. They even coined the name DePIN using a Twitter poll in 2022, and they believe it solves the chicken and the egg dilemma associated with Web2 giants through token incentives. Here's some key points from the Masari report about DePIN. They believe it could add up to $1 trillion to the global GDP over the next decade. Highlighted exponential growth of DePIN nodes and over 600,000 active nodes at the time of the report. They believe tokenomics can incentivize node operators and drive growth in sectors like digital mapping, wireless networks, and cloud computing. Looking ahead at 2024-2025, the report says DePINs will likely begin experimenting with ZK technology, meme coin integrations, on-chain AI, and on-chain gaming. The future of DePIN is going to come down to consumer demand, which will probably depend on technological advancement in blockchain, increased venture capital investment into building and real-world applications like wireless networks, cloud computing, and storage. I think this blockchain sector has a real shot at attracting users and capital, but it'll face challenges like competition from established players, regulatory hurdles, and adoption. Now, if you want to talk more about revolutionary topics like this with other members of the Bit Squad, make sure to hop on over to our Discord and get a roll today. Links in the description below. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.